How to add website shortcut to iPhone home screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Now, go ahead and navigate to the website you want to add to your home screen. Once the website has loaded, locate and tap the share icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options for sharing and interacting with the web page. From the Share menu, scroll down and tap on the Add to Home Screen option. A new window will appear, allowing you to customize the name for the home screen icon. You can edit the name to make it shorter or more descriptive for easy access. Once you've set the desired name, tap the Add button in the top right corner. The website shortcut will now appear as an icon on your home screen for quick access. Following these steps, you can easily add website shortcut to the home screen on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.